Hey guys, so we're gonna make some food right now. Okay, so imagine your game, you play some Call of Duty and you're winning. And then, you realize, mommy's at home, she hasn't brought you food yet. Yeah, you need to go downstairs and make some food. So you get your amazing, glorious cave, and then you gotta go downstairs and make some chicken tendies. Okay, so you're gonna need is got some chicken tendies, bowl, and a paper towel to make sure things don't get too messy. So yeah, while those tendies cook, I want to mention our Instagram and Twitter. The Instagram is fettuccine boys with an underscore for a space, and our Twitter is at fettuccine boys, no space, no caps. So once the microwave's done cooking, you want to open it and check that it's nice and warm. But if it's not warm, you gotta go back to cooking. So once your tendies are fully cooked, you take them out of the microwave and put them in a bowl. Okay, so that's how you make tendies. Be sure to add some honey mustard sauce and Mountain Dew for good taste and measure.